Good morning everyone. So today we're in like the northwest of the mainland of Lombok. Come to a place called Senggigi. We arrived here yesterday. Cost us about $10 each in a minivan, private minivan, to get here from Kuta Lombok. As you can see, we're staying in a pretty cool spot. We're like in the nature here. There's cows and stuff, but we're right on the coast. We're just a bit inland, but right on the coast. And as you can see, Carol got a scooter like always, and the plan today is I think we're going to drive along the coast here. There's loads of like cool viewpoints and beaches, and then we're going to drive inland, and I think there's like a monkey forest and stuff. So yeah, that's kind of the plan we got at the moment, but yeah, we'll see what happens. You look like a badass. Interesting little pathway to get out of the place that we're staying. Check this out. So as I mentioned before, we're basically taking the highway along the coast from a place called Senggigi where we're staying to Bangsal, and yeah, it's just a really beautiful highway, very different to Kuta Lombok. Here is a bit more like developed, so there's lots of hotels and stuff. Kuta Lombok was more like you're in the middle of nowhere and you see like these local villages, and we just decided to stop because check this out for a view. That looks amazing. Got this huge stretch of beautiful beach here, just palm trees everywhere. Some of you probably saw our videos in Siargao, Philippines. It's exactly like this, like spaced out palm trees and just beautiful empty beaches. So yeah, this is an amazing spot. And basically the entire coast is like this, so yeah, we're just gonna continue driving and yeah, just enjoy it.
Welcome.
Welcome.
Welcome. Where you come from?
Brazil.
Oh, it was good.
You from here?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I come from
Senggigi?
here. No, this.
Oh, this part here?
Yeah.
Okay. So as always, that guy was trying to sell us stuff, but this time we actually wanted to buy it because so we got this for the beach. We left ours in Kuta Lombok, so we had to buy this one. So I think it cost us about $4, really big one. And we just decided to come into this cool abandoned building here. So you can see we got the same view again. But this could have been a really cool resort, right?
Yeah.
Imagine you're staying here with that view.
Yeah. They even have a pool, like I think.
Oh, a swimming pool.
Be a pool, right?
Oh yeah, you had like an infinity pool here, overlooking that. Crazy. No, thank you. No, we're good, thanks. No, we're good, thank you. This is the photo right here, check that out. That's an awesome picture. Instagram. Yeah, pretty crazy. So that guy told us basically, I think the guy who owned it was from Singapore, was starting to make a villa and then went bankrupt. So yeah, he just left this here. Anyway, this is all unplanned, so let's get on with the trip. We decided to stop at this beach. So I think it's called NEPA Beach. We hadn't even heard of it, we just saw it when we were driving down the coast, so it looked like a pretty nice beach to come to, and yeah, it certainly is. Completely empty as usual, and even all like the little huts and like the restaurants and stuff seem to be closed, because I mentioned it a while back, it is Ramadan here. So yeah, I think during the day a lot of places are closed, and yeah, there's no locals around or anything. You see a few of them, but they're all sleeping. They're probably like tired from all the fasting and stuff. So yeah, we're just gonna find a nice spot to chill here. Found your spot?
Yeah.
Yeah. I was wrong. I thought we were alone on this beach, but we got the goats. They're here chilling. I still can't get over all these empty beaches though. Just so crazy. Such a beautiful place. Nobody ever here. Makes no sense at all. We just had a really interesting conversation with one of the beach vendors here. Yeah, I bought this bracelet here, volcanic rock from Mount Rinjani. Carol also got one for her leg. I think it was like $6 for both of them. And the conversation was interesting because I was asking him some questions. So I asked him how much it costs for him to get by here per month. So he said for him and his family, so his wife and 2 kids, it's only $150 a month. That's all he needs, and that's like food, electricity, school for both his kids. So just $150. Yeah, that's crazy. Even though I know here is obviously quite poor and stuff, I guess I still thought it'd be more than that. So obviously us buying this for $6 is actually a huge help for him, right? And he was just basically saying like they don't pay anything to the government, and all he buys for food is rice, because everything else, people here just pretty much grow stuff and then they just, yeah, pick it from their garden. So it's just interesting to see the difference. Guy was super laid back as well. I mean, this is basically his life. He just walks around on beaches, picks up material like this, like wood or shells or volcano rock, and then makes bracelets and stuff. So yeah, it was a pretty good conversation. We was talking with him for like, I don't know, like 50 minutes to an hour or something, a long time, about all sorts of stuff. Hungry?
Yeah, but I don't know where we're gonna eat.
Yeah, everywhere seems closed, right? Yeah, we'll work something out.
Let's go fishing and
Fishing,
catch our
yeah.
fish.
Let's talk with that guy there. Hey! I'm joking. Hello!
Hello!
Yeah.
So after about 10 minutes, we finally found a place to eat. Really cool spot, check this out. So you got these like places to sit here right on the ocean. Carol is chilling. And over there in the background you can see the Gili Islands. So that's Gili T and Gili Mino. So we're really up north now again, like where we were like 6-7 days ago. So we just got given this, not sure what it is. Yeah, I don't even know what that is. We didn't order it though, so maybe complimentary. Hope so. So the food has arrived. We have this like fish here, tempeh, some vegetables, rice. Carol got the same. And this was part of some Ramadan special, so it was only like $4. Pretty crazy. This is like a Western place, so I thought it'd be more, but no. And the drink was for free, so yeah, awesome. Trip must go on. We're now going to be heading to Monkey Road, where we should be able to see a lot of monkeys apparently. Right, we stopped quickly on the monkey road. It's basically like just some road through the mountain and jungle. Saw a few monkeys on the side of the road, but it's kind of hard to film and there's not many places to stop. But if we find some monkeys and it seems safe to stop, we'll stop. But really beautiful here so far. Really like lush green like jungle. Pretty cool. Back from the monkey road now. Those last scenes you saw were from a city called Mataram, just to show you that there is busy places here. Driving through that city was pretty chaotic, and we did actually stop like around all these monkeys, but this weird like mountain guy creeped us out, like trying to sell us stuff. He just kept following us around, sometimes just staring at us, but like really close, like this distance, just staring at us. So yeah, we got kind of creeped out and just got out of there. Yeah, in general, like I said in my first video in Lombok, the vendors here are just kind of weird. Like it's not good what they're doing. Tourists don't like it. We can see like other tourists reacting, and I read online a lot of negative reviews kind of about Lombok, and it's always because of those beach vendors. So yeah, if they weren't as so aggressive and like creepy like that guy, they'd probably actually have more tourists here. So they should probably stop doing that. That's probably the only negative thing I have about Lombok as a whole, really. Just those vendors, just kind of weird. So yeah, that's it for today. We've done quite a lot actually. That drive is only I think around like 2.5 hours, but because we stopped so much, yeah, it ended up pretty much being a whole day. And tomorrow we're going to be doing some island hopping. We just booked it before, so yeah, that should be fun. Some island hopping down south. I'm hoping that's going to be good anyway. So as always, just drop a like on this video, subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.